Motherhood doesn't come with a single rulebook, and breastfeeding shouldn't either. Every mother, every baby, and every journey is different. What works for one family may not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. A breast pump gives you the freedom to feed your baby on your own terms. Whether you're at home, returning to work, or balancing a busy day, pumping allows you to continue providing breast milk while fitting into your lifestyle. It offers flexibility without taking away the nourishment and comfort your baby needs. Using a breast pump can also help maintain your milk supply, relieve discomfort, and give you the chance to rest or share feeding moments with a partner. It's not about replacing breastfeeding, it's about supporting it in a way that works for you. Because feeding your baby isn't about perfection or following strict rules. It's about love, connection, flexibility, and support. Both for your baby and for yourself. Breastfeeding, with the help of a breast pump, your way.